Welcome to Puddle Jumpers RC. Today's going to be an unboxing of the FS Racing water truck. It's got paddle tires on it. This is an older picture, but it's a 1/10 scale. It's brushless. And I picked this up at banggood.com. And I figured it would be, I've been looking at it for a while. I figured it'd be fun. It's waterproof. You can run it right on top of the water. And it seems to be pretty rugged from all the other reviews and everything that I've seen of it. So, and I figured I'd have fun with it, running it in the snow. So let's get this thing open. And there it is. I got the yellow, red, and black with the white. They didn't have the blue and white one. They also make. You get a balance charger, slow charger. It's just on the balance leads. It's a 2 and 3S. And it comes with a European plug. So I don't know if they gave me a plug in there or not. I looked in here, I didn't see one. They might have thrown one in here somewhere. So here's the remote. Don't see no plug in there. Looks like a pretty decent remote. It's a little big. Got a antenna on her. Looks like it opens up, which it does. Get the antenna tube out of the way. Yep, I think she opens up. It's got all your stuff on there for your trims and throttle and all that stuff, reverses. It's a little bit big, but it's got a little bit of, it's got a rubber boot around there, like the foam. That's not too bad. So that is what it is. It looks like it. You can recharge it, maybe. I don't know. And this takes looks like 2, 4, 6, 8. Bummer. Takes 8 batteries. Wow. That sucks. But what are you going to do? It looks like it'll work. Hopefully it'll work. But you get a bind plug in there with it. You also get antenna tube. Looks like 2 antenna tubes and 2 bind plugs in there. So here's the other stuff that you get. Looks like you get some spare servo horns or something to that effect. It looks like servo horns. I don't know. But you get a metal star wrench. Get all the stickers for it if you want to put them on there. And you get the book. You guys know the drill about that. I heard that this was all in like I don't know, Chinese or something. Let's see. Yep. Looks like it. Well, it says FS Racing here, though. Yep. Looks like everything's in Chinese. Yep. But at least it gives you a good diagram so you know what you're looking at. Yeah, and parts, accessories, parts. So I tried to get the blue one, but they were out of it. So here it is. And the battery is out of the box. There's the battery. It looks like it is a LiPo. 5,400 megahertz, or milliamps, excuse me. And it does look like it's a 3S. So let's see if we can get into this sucker and get these tires out of here. There's one. I don't see nothing in there. So maybe we'll get, oh, the body's all busted. All cracked back here. It must have got slammed around or something. That's a real bummer. For the money I paid for this thing, that really sucks. No, I don't, and it doesn't look like they gave me a adapter either. But here you go. There's one of the bad things about getting one of these from China or whatever. It's all broke. Looks like it. I don't know how that happened. What happened to it? But the body's all broke. It's all cracked. Well, looks like it almost looks like it was like a, I don't know if it was like just a body they threw on there that was used or something. It looks like it's scratched up there too. But as you can see it's broke. It's all chipped. There it is. It's got a 50 amp waterproof ESC, and it's got a 9 kilogram servo. It's supposed to be 100% waterproof, and it does have a slipper clutch in it. Oh, and it's got this cover on it to guard it. Everything else looks alright on it. Well, that's not good. Shocks are returning really slow in the front. Boy, whew, they return real slow. Back ones feel alright. Front ones, not so much. I don't know what the problem is there with that, but maybe from it being cold, because it was in my truck all day. But yeah, looks like it doesn't say, but it looks like it is a 3S. It's a 3S Tiger 5400 milliamp. So I don't know, we'll see. We'll see how she ends up going, but that's real disappointing. I mean, the body is really cheesy on this thing anyways. I can probably get another body for it, but I'm not even going to bother. I'll just tape the inside of it and tape the outside of it and call it good. It's just going to be a basher anyways. That's what I bought it for. I bought it to take it out there and beat on it in the winter. Out there in the snow and stuff. So it is 100% waterproof, they say. So we'll have to see how she goes. I'm going to check all the tires and everything and make sure everything's good. But everything else looks all right. It's just a bummer that got broke, because it is a cool looking truck, and it's got these wicked paddle tires on it. They're pretty awesome looking. All right, man. Well, that's my unboxing of the FS Racing Victory water truck. So like and subscribe and keep our sand, man.